So let's do it. We're using a old Alpha model Crony. I've had this since about 99. It's a cloudy day, so I'm not putting the sunshades up. Let's check the range now. "34 yards from right here." And I've got my little book here. I'm going to write down the velocity. See what kind of groups they shoot and what kind of velocity we get out of them. Let's do it. First rounds I'm going to try are the Yoshis. These are a 40 grain solid. High velocity it says on the box, but it doesn't say how fast, I don't think, in here anywhere. So we'll see how fast they shoot. That was 1183. $11.61. Now we're going to go with the CCI standard velocity at 1,070 advertised velocity. And 50 feet. $1,036. $1,024. Next up, we got CCI quiet 22s. I'm just going to tell you, folks, these are quiet, very quiet. It's a full-size bullet instead of the little CB caps with like a 29 grain bullet. These are a 40 grain, and I've shot some squirrels with them, and it puts them out of the tree, but it don't hardly make any noise. PCI Quiet 22. Not reading. That's 669.5 feet per second. Seven 706. $695. Squirrel slaying 22 shells right there, folks. And they don't even run out of the tree if you miss them. We're going to do the Thunderbolts now. They got a little pop to them. These are advertised at $1,255 feet per second. $1179. $1232. $1206. Now we're going to try these Aguilas. I'm not sure what the advertised velocity is on these bullets, but we'll see. $1260. $42. And it's pretty much one hole. They shot pretty darn good. Next up, Winchester's Super Speed hollow points, rated at 1,330 feet per second. 1353. $13.80. Well, I have to do a little work to get that one out of there. Well, we got two more of the Winchesters to go through. Hopefully they don't get stuck. I did buy 1,000 rounds of Winchester M22. They're in a black box, and they're just loose black lead tip bullets. I think they were 40 grain solids, and you can't hardly get them to even chamber in this gun, or my 22 pistol, or my son's little 22 cricket. Won't hardly even go in them. And if you do get them in there and you shoot them, you gotta get a ramrod to knock them back out. So I don't know what Winchester's got going on right now. They were always good ammunition as I was growing up, but ain't worth a crap if the bullets get, or the shells get stuck in the chamber. That was 1,400 right there, folks. Pretty fast for 22. See if it'll come out there. Yeah, it did. Got one more. $13.67. Go down there and look at the targets. Those last Winchesters were fast. They didn't group worth the crap out of my gun. First were those Fioshis. Like I said when I was shooting them, I had one that was a little bit out of higher velocity than the rest of them, and I saw it hit, and it did hit high. The rest of them was pretty much knocking the bullseye out. CCI standard velocity, they're fairly quiet at just a little over 1,000 feet per second. I guess they were subsonic. They shot pretty decent. I mean, they're good enough to shoot squirrels in the head with. The little CCI quiet 22s at 700 and some, 600 to 700 feet per second. I shot more than 5 of them. I can't remember now how many I did shoot, but I was actually holding right here on this line, and they shot that much low. Here's a Sharpie. about from the end of it to the where the cap meets is majority of them. There was 3 there, but the velocity was kind of scattered out a little bit on those. That's probably why you got 1 a little higher and 3 a little bit lower, but the majority of them went in the same hole. Those shells shoot pretty good. And the Remington Thunderbolts, the majority of them was hitting to the right of the target. One of them dead centered the bullseye, but that was probably a fluke because the majority of the group was right here, the 3 shots there and then 2 there. Those Aguilas, they shot really good. And the Winchesters, man, I don't know, they're there, 3 there. This is only 34 yards, so I mean that's not very good groups, but that's not to say they wouldn't shoot good out of your weapon. That one there just doesn't like them for some reason, but it really likes those Aguilas, those Fioshis. They shoot really good. I'm gonna go back and punch some more holes in these targets just to see what a 10-shot group will look like with them. Well folks, this is a pretty fair poke for a 22. Well, I shot 10 rounds at the upper left target. Probably can't even see it through this GoPro. But no, don't look like too bad of a group. It's a little bit to the right of center, but that could be a little bit of this breeze. There's not bad wind. There's a little bit of breeze today. We'll go down and look at it here in a second. I want to shoot the Aguilas as well because they shot a good tight group at 34 yards. And I might shoot the CCI standard velocity. They shot a pretty decent group. Of course, they're going to drop an awful lot. But anyway, let's get back with it. Of course, we're shooting at a smaller target for a group size. Now, just we'll see how it does. Well, folks, let's go down and see how those bullets done at 100 yards. I shot the CCI standard velocity, and I held over for those because I knew they was going to drop an awful lot. So anyway, let's go see how the damage is. There was only 5 shots in that target earlier. Holy crap, them things grouped now. They're all in there at 100 yards, except for 2. And you know, I don't know what happened to those, but they outshot the rest of them as far as groups go. Anyway, the Fioshis, they grouped right there. Like I was saying, it was just a little bit off center. The Remingtons, a little bit off center. Aguilas, a little bit off center. I shot 10 shots of those, and those, and I shot 10 more shots into this target as well. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 shots right there at 100 yards. That's pretty good. If these flyers would have been in there, holy crap. That's as good as a lot of big rifles. There's a lot of deer rifles that don't shoot any tighter groups than that. Those right there are amazing though. I'm gonna have to try that again. I think I'll shoot some of those again at this target right here, since it doesn't have any holes in it already. I may even shoot my 9mm pistol, see if I can hit this piece of wood or this piece of cardboard at 100 yards with it. That'd be interesting. But I really want to try to hit that target down there with my 9mm pistol. I don't know if it'll hit it that far or not, but I think I'm gonna give it a try. Well, I think I was hitting it. I could hear something down there whacking the target. They've been hitting the ground and ricocheting up. Not really too shabby. I was holding right here with the 9mm pistol. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 in the kill zone. 6, 7, 8. That might have been one there too, I don't know. Maybe one got to wobbling or something. Hit the paper sideways, I don't know. But that was the CCI standard velocity at 100 yards again. I think 2 of those, there was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah. Omit those. The rest of them there are the CCI standard velocity. But it was kind of starting to rain, and it wasn't raining when I shot that group. I don't know if it affects the 22 bolt that much or not, but anyway, that's the damage. I wouldn't want shot at with the 9mm at this far. I really wasn't holding that high. I thought I might have to hold over the target, but basically I was aiming right there. Those would have definitely been hits in a man-sized target. Well, anyway, that's Marty for Ozark Outdoors, shooting 22s at 100 yards and a 9mm pistol. Thanks for watching.